Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home and lifestyle. Today, we're talking about the Geometry Bar Towel, the best kitchen fall towels you can get for your kitchen this season. These towels are designed with both style and function in mind, bringing you not only the beauty of autumn but also superior cleaning power. The first thing you'll notice about these towels is their stunning, floral fall design. It's a perfect addition to your fall decor, making your kitchen feel warm and inviting. But they're not just about looks. The Geometry Bar Towels are made from GeoWeave fabric, which offers an increased drying and cleaning surface area. This makes them incredibly effective when it comes to tackling spills, drying dishes, and wiping down countertops without leaving any scratches behind. One of the standout features of these towels is their quick drying ability. We all know how quickly wet towels can turn smelly, but with these, you won't have to worry about that. They dry faster, giving you more time between washes and a fresher towel every time you reach for it. Whether you're drying glassware or cleaning up after cooking, these towels offer next-level absorbency. In fact, they can absorb nearly 7 times their weight in liquid, making them perfect for heavy-duty kitchen tasks. Not only are these towels highly effective, but they're also made with sustainability in mind. Manufactured from post-consumer materials, they help reduce waste, and their eco-friendly design is a great choice for those looking to support brands that care about the environment. Whether you're wiping down a countertop or drying your dishes, the Geometry Bar Towels deliver a premium cleaning experience. They're soft, durable, and built to last through countless washes. If you're looking for the best kitchen fall towels that combine style, performance, and sustainability, the Geometry Bar Towels are an excellent choice. So, go ahead and add them to your kitchen this fall for the ultimate combination of function and flair. Thanks for watching Product Critique.